Hey guys, it's Carrie Lynn here for SheSave.com, and tonight we are at the Hyatt Place, Fort Lauderdale Cruise Port and Convention Center here in Fort Lauderdale. We are just getting ready to embark on a Holland America cruise, but I wanted to show you a peek at our room because if you find yourself in Fort Lauderdale, headed out to a cruise, this might be the perfect location for you. Super close to the port, easy access from the airport, and a great place to just land and rest before you embark on your adventure as well. So, quick look at this room. There's 4 of us in here, so it was the perfect size. I don't think I would recommend this for a longer stay because there's not a whole lot to do in this area, but if you're coming, as I said, to head out on other adventures, this is a great place to stay. I will show you a peek at a restaurant we loved across the street. There's a few shops in the area, but not really much else. Seemed really clean, great staff, little bit dated of a hotel property, but again, you're here just for a quick stay as you head out on other adventures, so it's affordable and perfect for those needs. So there you go. There's a look at all of that. Really kind of spacious and again, perfect for a quick in and out stay. I did want to tell you right across the street, about a block and a half away, is an amazing little Irish bar restaurant called Waxy's. Incredible food, really fun atmosphere, and again, it's a block and a half away, super close, super easy. I will leave all the details down below. Let me know if you have questions. This is Carrie Lynn for SheSave.com.